Yeah, as we look out in Gulf County, we're seeing some raindrops on our camera out there, out at Veteran Memorial Park. You could see those winds are blowing those flags around, and we'll continue to see those winds increase as well as the rainfall increase across our area as a tropical storm Nicole inches closer to us. Made landfall overnight as a Category 1 hurricane near the Vero Beach area, but about an hour after it quickly weakened to a tropical storm. And right now, Nicole, still a tropical storm with sustained winds of 45 miles per hour. Those gusts kicking up to 65 miles per hour. As you can see, it's sitting just north of Tampa, and it's just going to continue on this westerly northwesterly track throughout the afternoon. So it's already sending some rain into our eastern counties. You can see light rain as we look out in Bay County, into Washington, even a little bit in Jackson counties. But where we're seeing the heaviest of rainfall right now, Liberty, Franklin, Gulf County, seeing some moderate rainfall, which is about a quarter of an inch of rainfall per hour. So we'll see this rain become more widespread as we head towards those late afternoon hours into the early evening as Nicole inches closer. So by this afternoon, we'll see Nicole quickly move out into the Gulf of Mexico, but it's not going to be sitting over the Gulf very long. And it's also the waters are still not warm enough to really sustain any significant re-intensification. So still expecting Nicole to make landfall near the Big Bend late this afternoon into the early evening as a tropical storm with those winds around 45 miles per hour. So around 5, 6 o'clock, that's when we'll see the greatest of impacts across our area, meaning we'll see the best rain coverage and we'll see the strongest of wind gusts. Some of those gusts mainly towards our eastern counties could kick up near tropical storm force. And then as we head into late Thursday or late tonight, we'll see that storm really begin to push out towards Georgia. And by the time we're heading out the door tomorrow morning, it's still going to be breezy, but we'll see dry conditions as Nicole continues to push out towards the north and east. And really this weekend, we'll see some quiet conditions as well. But let's take a look at those gusts at the moment, kicking up to 32 miles per hour in Bluntstown, 33 in Apalachicola. As we take a look at later on this afternoon, again, nearing that tropical storm force for Bluntstown. You could see Mariana kicking up to about 43 miles per hour. But as we look out west, not going to be near tropical storm force gusts as well. 7 o'clock tonight, you could see those stronger gusts remain well to our eastern counties, and still going to be, for most of us, those wind gusts will be below tropical storm force. Tropical storm force is at 38 miles per hour or stronger. So we do have a wind advisory in place. That's where we're seeing the shades of brown. And then as we look out towards Liberty, Franklin counties, tropical storm warning is in place because that's where we could see those tropical storm force gusts and even a little bit of storm surge about around 2 to 4 feet expected. So rainfall not going to be too significant. The heaviest of rainfall again towards our eastern counties where we could see about 1 inch to 1.5 inches of rainfall. Then again, things will be clearing out as we head into our Veterans Day. Now here's a look at your fish and game forecast. Next peak coming in at 3:20 this afternoon, but nobody should be out in the water for this afternoon because of those tropical storm conditions.
Absolutely, and thankfully we have a nice weekend to look forward to.
Yes.
Well, still ahead, local